Hi, how's it going everyone? Welcome to Kasih Consulting YouTube channel. We are really excited sharing this video with you. For those new to project management, this channel is a great place to start your learning journey. We produce video tutorials to help you understand the subject easier. So make sure you click the subscribe button and stay tuned for more interesting project management videos. Sit back and relax. Let's start learning. Hey man, are you alright? You look clueless. What? You have to manage a project? Well, congratulations. But why you look so glum? Imagine when you have been appointed by your organization to manage a project. The problem is you don't have any experience running a project before. Suddenly, you feel lost and don't know what to do. You don't want your project team in disarray, let alone running the project into trouble. Imagine, instead of delivering this, your project looks like this. Very bad, isn't it? Well, you need help. It is time to check your role as a project manager and your project management skills. Don't worry, I am here to help you. Hi, my name is Hilwani. I am a project management trainer from Kasih Consulting. Welcome to Project Management for Beginners, Part 1. I am really excited sharing this video with you. My mission with this course is to make project management easy to understand. Project management is a discipline that helps you run your projects easily. It took me quite a while to prepare this video. This is the first part of 5 video series. I am going to cover pretty much all aspects of project management. I am going to teach what it means to be a project manager, and I am going to cover the following topics. What is a project? How to define a project? Planning a project? Controlling a project, and some common project problems. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. You heard about project management before, but you haven't a clue what it is, let alone its advantages. So, what are project management advantages? Isn't it great to run a project in a systematic way and avoid your project from constant troubles? Having a structure around project management and knowing how to use the techniques to finish your project in time comes with a lot of benefits. Project management improves productivity, reduce costs, and workload. And by the way, project management skill is one of the top industry requirements today. Many employers are looking for project management professionals to add value to their organizations. Let's take a pause for a while. Let's watch a video on project management case study. This video is about building a house. Isn't that great to be able to build a house in such a way? This is what project management about. To manage the project in a systematic way by applying the methodology, tools, and techniques available. Project management is everywhere. Essentially, project management belongs to everyone. From someone building their own home, or planning a wedding, to constructing a large-scale, multi-billion-dollar project such as MRT transportation system. They are all using project management techniques in one form or another. Now, I am not going to bore you with an in-depth history of project management, but it's good to know where it began. Let's step back in time. History of project management can be traced back in 900 AD, where the Maya pyramids were built. Yes, project management has a very long ancient history. You can imagine how the Mayans deployed their resources and the time taken to build the pyramids that stands until today. The ancient Egyptians did the same with the Giza pyramids. But the biggest influencer was Henry Gantt, the inventor of the famous and still used Gantt chart. He created his namesake charts around 1910, and they have been used in projects large and small ever since. Modern project management came out mainly in the 60s, post-Second World War, particularly in defense and aerospace industries. During this period, major project management tools such as WBS or Work Breakdown Structure, CPM or Critical Path Method were introduced and adopted by industries. You do to solve a particular problem. A project can be initiated based on market demand. For example, a demand for an environmentally friendly product such as electric car. Tesla car, for example. Organizational need. For example, a need to automate your organization business system to improve productivity. Implementing a new customer relation management or CRM system, for example. Customer requests. Customers' feedback is valuable. They can add value to your organization product and services. For example, a request from customers to produce an alcohol-free hand sanitizer. Legal requirement. For example, government decided to change an obsolete law to improve the environment. A law is to be enacted that require all vehicles to stop using diesel fuel by 2020, for example. The definition of a project is temporary. Every project is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product and result. Unique. Every project creates a unique product, result, or service. Product, for example, developing a new car model. Result, for example, initiating a research on COVID-19 virus. Clear beginning and end, which means clear start and end dates. Every project has a planned start and end dates, including project that is divided into phases. For example, developing a Tesla car model is a project. It fits the project criteria. So what isn't a project? Manufacturing Tesla car is not a project. This is an ongoing activity and falls under operation category. You must understand the difference between project and operation. Remember the project definition before? The project must be temporary, produce unique product, attain its objective, concludes when its specific objective has been attained. While operation is ongoing, repetitive, and aim at sustaining the objective. Project has its constraints. These constraints can affect the project if they are not being managed properly. The project manager must look into these constraints and figure out how to overcome them. The main constraints are cost, how much money is available to achieve the outcome, time, when the output is to be delivered, scope, what exactly the expected outcome, quality, does the outcomes matches specifications, resource, who and what is required to deliver the outcome, risk, what can go wrong and what can be done about it. Project success depends on several factors. These are top 3 success factors. Number 1, managing strategy and stakeholders. That includes clear objective, well-defined business case, linked to organization strategy, minimize and stable project scope, robust contract with clear responsibilities, stakeholder support. Number 2, building team and capabilities. That includes experienced staff, qualified and motivated project team, sustainable mix of internal and external resources. Number 3, excellent project management practices. That includes reliable estimates and plan, transparency on project status, proven methodologies and tools. There are several ways to define project success. The project is considered a success if the project met the scope, time, and cost goals. The project satisfied the customer requirement. But sometimes project success criteria can be a little bit tricky. Let's take a look at Sydney Opera House. By project definition, it was a failure. Unclear requirement, over budget by 1,600%, behind schedule by 13 years. But in the long run, the project was a huge success. It became a worldwide attraction and generating millions in income, providing a good return on investment and making the owner happy. Okay, back to project management. It just so happens that sometimes we don't know that we were managing projects, but they were projects indeed. Project management has its frameworks and methodologies. Some of these frameworks are Project Management Book of Knowledge or PMBOK and Project in Control Environment or PRINCE2. Project management uses methodologies such as Waterfall, Agile, and Scrum. A project management framework is a set of standard project management processes. A methodology is a set of principles, tools, and techniques in managing projects. In summary, project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. Many industries have implemented project management practices in their organizations. They utilize project management tools to help them deliver their projects as per requirement. Licensed software such as Primavera and Microsoft Project are must-have tools in industries. There are many other software out there, but these are the most prominent. You can also use a user-friendly free cloud-based project management software such as Write, Asana, Basecamp, and Trello. They might not be as intensive and detailed like Primavera and Microsoft Project, but they can help to manage your project depending on their skills. Let's recap. We have learned the definition of project, what is considered a project and what is not. We also learned the definition of project management and the advantages of applying project management practices in the project. In summary, the benefits of project management are plenty. Here are some of them. Being able to deliver projects on time and within budget often determines whether a company will get the next job or whether its new product will hit the market. Project management approach creates a consistent level of governance, leadership, process, procedures, monitoring, and reporting for projects. Project management process eliminates much of the bureaucracy and paperwork that could otherwise slow down the project. Implementing project management across the organization helps create a strategic value chain that gives companies an edge from their competitors. With that, we have come to the end of part 1. So guys, it's all about understanding the fundamentals. Once you understand the fundamentals, everything else just becomes very easy to follow. If you have any comments, feel free to leave your comment below. I'll try my best to respond. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more subjects on project management. Hit the bell button so that you will be notified when I release new videos. Take care. See you in the next episode. Thank you.